I'm back with my new USB microphone that ZealSound recently sent me, and today I'll show you how to get this mic set up in less than a minute. If you want to use it wirelessly, you'll want to use the charging cable it came with to charge it up first. Or you can also plug the mic directly into your computer, or if you're like me and short on USB ports, you can also plug it into a USB hub like I have here. Once the mic is plugged in, you can power it on by long pressing the top button labeled mute. You'll see a green light, which means the mic is powered. The red light you see above just means that it's in charging mode. To mute the mic, press the mute button and it will go red. To unmute, just press the button again and it will turn green. Long press the button again to power off the mic. Below the mute button, we have a few dials. The first one controls the volume, left for lower volume and right for higher volume. Then we have the volume setting for the headphones if you have one connected to the mic. And the last button is the echo button, which I would not normally use for my purposes. Now, you can go to your computer and make sure that the mic is enabled and that your computer software and apps can access your mic. And that's it. And by the way, the voiceover for this video was made using this mic. I found for optimal sound quality and volume to have the mic a few inches away while speaking into it. I'm also very impressed with the fact that it was able to filter out the noise coming from my air purifier and computer fan that I had running in the background.